In this video, I want to introduce you to a website that's very much like Reddit,
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
but it's not. It's smaller, but it's still pretty big. And I've worked with companies where we drove thousands of people a day to websites from this site. How does it work? So it's Hacker News. It's part of the Y Combinator incubator, and essentially this is a forum. And what you have is, it's kind of like Reddit, you see. So this is the stuff that's would be equivalent. This is like a subreddit. You can think of this as its own subreddit where there's thousands and thousands of people there. And what happens is, this is the default that they show you is like the equivalent of the hot on Reddit. Okay, so it's hard to get here. You see, these people have like 225 points, 176 points. That's how you get to the top of this page. Most things, when they're posted, they're in this new tab. You see, this stuff just gets posted quickly. 1 point, you see it got 1 point. And the new stuff, fine, people do browse it, not as much as the hot stuff, because the hot stuff is the default. And so what some people have done, and what companies where I consulted, what they have done is to drive traffic, is they created a little bit of a team of people to upvote a post right away, because as soon as I come here, it will go down. It might even go down as soon as like a few minutes. Like I've been on this page for a minute. If I refresh, you see the first thing is this announcing Caddy commercial licenses, right? If I refresh, let's see if there's anything new. You see 2 new things that popped up. So there's a lot of new stuff, and you really gotta stand out, and you really gotta make sure that your uploads come quickly, because if they don't, you'll just go down. But if you can get this to work for you, the new version of this, which is the news, like the equivalent of the hot in Reddit, in a subreddit, then this area really drives a lot of traffic. So if you have something really cool and unusual, and again, this is for like a tech audience, but it's not just tech audience. Like, this is tech and business audience. For example, this person, Daniel Kahneman, he's a very known psychologist, and he talks about the psychology of experiencing. So something really cool, really unusual, newsworthy things like cryptocurrency issues. You see, that's like very current at the moment. So this is the kinds of things, these are the kinds of topics that make it up here. Mostly tech, but also very interesting things from other walks of life. So try to use this news.ycombinator.com, and it's treated as another very, very cool subreddit.